Okay, this is one of those locks that I received from Adrian in Spain. It's a Tesa. The lock does work. It's not a key retaining lock, but this is the bitting on the key. Looks like it's a 5-pin. So let's open it up and then gut it, because this one we can gut. Okay, it is locked up, and he put on here a tag that said that this has a spool or spools, whichever way it's supposed to have. So let's open it up so we can gut it and see what's in it. Okay, I'm going to try to use the bottom of the keyway. I may have to change to something else, but we'll try it this way. Okay, let's start at the front, work our way to the back, a little bit on 1, 2, 3, 4, a little bit on 5, a little bit on 2 again, and 1. Okay, a little bit more on 4. Okay, and 1, and it's open. So let's open the lock up and see what is in this lock. Move the camera around a little bit. You can bet before I send this out, this is going to be heavily modified. See if we can get this apparatus to work. It works perfect. Takes those clips off. Alright, let's slide it out, check the pins. Just drop the key pin out. Okay, it is definitely 5-pin. Got a little scar spot on the plug there where it looks like a pin rode across it. Put an indentation in it. Okay. Okay, they're serrated pins. Serrated. Nothing has been done to the plug. Just a standard plug. Let's see what's in the top. Let's start at pin number 1. Pin number 1 is stuck in the chamber for some reason. Pin 2, we'll look at them real close. Pin 3. So undoubtedly the pin in number 1 You know, it's the second time I've done this that I've lost a pin. No, it's still in the chamber. There it come out. I believe that was number 5 pin though. So these need to be moved around. That was number 5 pin that was stuck. Okay, let's look at real close at the pins. Alright, there's serrated pins on the bottom, and looks like mushroom type pins on the top. They look to be homemade on those two. This is standard, this is standard, and this one is a another mushroom type pin. So I had 3 mushroom spools and 2 standard spools in the top, and all the bottom is serrated. Alright, I appreciate it. Please do not do anything illegal, and please stay out of trouble. And I will modify this lock before I send it out to anyone else. And thank you for your time.